Good morning, friends. Now today I'll show you two methods. Two methods. Two way lookup. Two methods. Okay. How to do, what to do with all those things. Okay. Here the data I took by my own. All those things. These are the sales. Okay. These are the sales. Before I start, I request everyone to subscribe, share, and like my video. Okay, more Excel tricks are ahead. So I request everyone, if you want to learn more tricks, then please subscribe and click on bell icon. Okay, now here it is a two-way lookup. We have to see JKL and February. Two things we have to check. Okay, see, if I change this one, ABC February, ABC February, this thing. Okay, understood? I'll show you all methods. See, why it's showing reference error, I'll tell you. Why it's showing reference error, I will tell you. Okay, so here is showing answer, it is showing reference error. Okay, done. I'll tell you why it is showing all those things. First we'll go to formula right now. Okay, done. Is equal to index. We are taking two-way lookup. For that reason you have to select whole data, because it's a two-way lookup. Match, open the bracket, take this one, comma, from this data, comma 0. It's exact match. Okay, now comes to column. First we took array and row number, we took row number, and now column number. Okay, match, open the bracket, February, comma, select this thing, comma 0. It's a two-way lookup. Okay, for row number we took this one, for column number we took this one. Okay, now first let me, by evaluate formula, press F9, function key on your keyboard, F9. So it is showing ABC occurs in third place. Okay, now this one, column number, F9, February occurs in second place. So we got row number and column number. So we are checking data. Okay, now simply press Control Enter. See, I took data validation. See, okay, did you got what I meant to say? It's a two-way lookup. Okay, February, this one. Okay, I took a data validation. See, here also see all months, here all sales representatives. Okay, now why it is showing error, I will tell you. First select the data like this. Okay, now Control Shift F3. We need names. We are doing names, define names. So we need January top row, and this one. Okay, formula is nothing to worry. Formula is indirect space ABC colon space indirect, this one, close parenthesis, enter. That's it. Whenever you change the data, it's very simple one. Why what? First of all, I'll teach you what it is doing. First, it is checking indirect. Already I defined the names. You can see here. not here, not here, all those things, the previous one. Okay, so define names for this. For that reason, it is taking ABC. This whole thing it is taking. I'll tell you. And again, February. Intersection of the cells. Intersection of the cells. It is giving the answer. Okay, intersection of the cells. See here also. It's very simple. Rajinikanth, June. See, Rajinikanth, June. So intersection of the both things. Seeing like this. Here I took a formula. Here is a simple way. Okay. In next video I am going to teach you very interesting topic. From next video onwards I am going to teach you very interesting topic, database functions. What it is? dget, dcounter, dsum, dmax, dmin. All these things I am going to cover within few days, and as early as possible I am posting epic video of vlookup. Means first vlookup, where we have to use, how we have to use, when we have to use, what is the uses of vlookup, in actually how many varieties of vlookups are there. Everyone know lookup value, lookup array, column index number, true or false. In that only, in 4 arguments we can make a magic. Okay, so dget sample thing. Can I show sample thing? Oh no, not now. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, all the best guys.